If you're encountering a payment refused error while trying to subscribe to LinkedIn Premium, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update billing information. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the Settings and Privacy section. Under the Account tab, find Billing and update your payment information if necessary. Step 3. Contact your bank. Sometimes banks block transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or credit card provider to ensure that they are not blocking the payment to LinkedIn. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, consider using a different credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can try using PayPal if it's available in your region. Step 5. Reach out to LinkedIn support. If none of the above steps work, contact LinkedIn customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment refused issue and successfully subscribe to LinkedIn Premium.